Today's inspection is out in Renko Loop. It's super beautiful out here. It's not a place I spend enough time in, but I'd like to. It's really pretty. But today we're looking at a roof that isn't so pretty. So check it out. The other thing is, like everybody in this county, they have core vent. And if you've seen my videos before, core vent is the worst ridge vent that you can have on your roof. It does not allow your roof to breathe, and it looks like this. If you can even really see it. Which, to my point, is terrible ridge vent. A lot of unevenness. I tried looking to see if there was 2 layers, but couldn't tell. These shingles were pretty well sealed, which is a good thing. But yeah, that's kind of what I found today in this beautiful Renko Loop property. Hope you enjoyed.